What's up, Izzy Bites? As you can see from the thumbnail, today on the menu is coleslaw. We're making homemade coleslaw, but it's a little bit of a difference. We're making sweet and spicy coleslaw. Now, I've tasted coleslaw before, homemade, from someone who taught me how to make coleslaw, and it's very delicious. But I've had some of the worst coleslaws as well, as far as from Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now, I'm going to show you this one, sweet and spicy. It's got a little cayenne pepper in it that'll give it a little kick, and it's got that sugar in it to balance out that heat, okay? So let's get started. Now, first thing we have on our menu here, we have cabbage, we have 1/2 of an onion, a whole or small, we got 3 carrots here, mayo, apple cider vinegar, and make sure you get the Bragg's that got the mother in it. This is some of the best tasting apple cider vinegar out there. And we also got the cayenne pepper that we spoke about, fresh black ground pepper right here, okay? And we also have sugar and our food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, then go ahead and just use your knife and chop it up as thin as possible, okay? So first thing we're gonna get started with is our sauce. So let's get it started. So for the sauce, first thing we're gonna start off with is 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is gonna give it that kick. I mean, you're gonna love this. With it mixed up with the sugar, it's gonna balance out real good. What we're gonna add in is 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Okay. All right. 1/2 cup of mustard. We're doing 2 teaspoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and make sure you shake it before you add it in because it's got that mother at the bottom. Okay, 2 teaspoons of this apple cider vinegar. And if you want it to be a little bit more tangy, then you just go ahead and add in 1 more teaspoon or however much more that you like yourself. Okay. We're gonna grab our whisk and we're gonna mix it all in together here, okay? And you're gonna see that sugar start to change colors. It's gonna come mixed in nice and smoothly here. See that? Okay, and once we finish with this, we're gonna sit this to the side like in the refrigerator, and we're gonna work on the cabbage next. And my towel, gotta lay my towel underneath this cutting board so it doesn't slide out the way. So we're gonna put a wet towel down under our cutting board so that it can grip. Let me wet this some more. Okay, that's good. Lay that down there and go ahead and put our cutting board on top of this towel. And we're just going to take our cabbage here and we're going to remove the core. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slice this core off straight like this because I want to save it because I'm going to want to grow a cabbage from that. So I slice that off like that. Set that to the side. Then we're going to cut this in half because we have to remove the other part of the core that's in there out. Okay. Okay. As you can see in the middle there, I hope that's not too bright. But if you can see there in the middle, there's a core. And we got to cut that out and put it in our food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can go ahead and use your grater, or you can go ahead and slice it if you want to with your knife. But the food processor is much faster And it gives it a nice grate like the ones that you find at Popeyes or what do you call it? Kentucky Fried Chicken. Do all of that, set that to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead here and just do our onion a little bit as well. The carrots we don't have to worry about because they're thin. All right. Okay, so let's get this food processor hooked up here. Now that we got that all grated up, we're gonna pour this into our bowl here. Let me see, got enough room? That's what I'm wondering. All right, that's gonna have to be good enough. Look at that color, that red and that green. Look at that. It's nice. Okay, now we're gonna take our sauce and we're gonna mix that all up. And after we mix it up, we're gonna taste it and then put it back in the refrigerator. Here we go with our sauce. Look at that there. We're just gonna pour that over here. Do a little at a time, I think would be better. And then go ahead and mix that in and then come back with the second batch of the sauce. It's mixed up in here as much as possible. Now I gotta switch back over to the spoon. Make it look a little bit more cleaner. There you go. See that? See that? Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Yep, and I'm gonna double dip because it's mine. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, that is off the chain. This is off the chain. I'm telling you, you better try this recipe. You're gonna love it, and your family too. It's got that kick to it, and a nice amount of vinegar to it as well. Okay, that's it, family. Some nice hot and spicy, sweet and spicy coleslaw by Izzy. Try it out, family. And in the meantime, make sure you click that like button and the subscribe button. Show your brother some love. Much love. Peace. Oh, peace. Oh, man, I tell you.